Hi, good afternoon. This is Conversación Inglesa. I am Ángel Raúl Guapi Chamorro. Today, I'm going to talk about how to present and defend an idea. This is the task one of the second unit. There are two videos. One is the Trevor Notes. Trevor Notes video is the most compelling because his position is correct about the use of weapons in the USA. He said that is an issue that everybody wants to avoid when someone wants to make a debate about it. He also says that they give more importance to a weapon than to life itself. It means that they are putting the use of weapons in the first place instead of life. On the other hand, Donald Trump says that if the citizen did not have a weapon on the day of the shooting, there would probably have been not only 26 dead, but hundreds of deaths. He is giving little importance to the issue of laws to restrict the use of guns. Therefore, I don't agree with his position. My position is the following. The use of weapons in the United States is a matter of concern. It must be urgently reviewed. It does not seem fair and safe that any individual can buy a gun or rifle so easily on the streets of any city. In my opinion, Donald Trump's position is wrong and Trevor Nott's position is appropriate. The way I see it is that in the USA, they care more about the business of selling arms than people's own lives. First, if the shooting is, for example, in a supermarket, they care more worry about the safety of the supermarket than in the lives of the people who are in the same. Second, they do not concentrate on finding a solution to the facilitated use of weapons, but on capturing and making it appear that they are strong with the person who caused the shooting. Last but not least, the USA must strongly promote laws that help restrict the use of weapons because it is a problem that is increasingly destroying many lives. That's my opinion. Thank you. Thank you very much.